Did you know that gingerbread dates back to the 15th century? Join me as I share gingerbread recipe that combines traditional flavors with modern twist, all wrapped up in a Bundt cake. My name is CBO. Welcome. Let's begin. In a mixing bowl, sift in flour, then add ground cinnamon, followed by baking soda. Then baking powder, ground ginger, ground nutmeg, orange zest, and mix. Preheat the oven to 160 degrees Celsius, 320 degrees Fahrenheit. I almost forgot a pinch of salt. The oven is preheated 15 minutes before baking. In another bowl, add softened butter, then 2 kinds of sugar, brown and white granulated. Add an applesauce for moisture. Add molasses for depth. Mix until every ingredient is blended well. A list of ingredients will be in the description box below. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, stirring in between. If you are into unique, easy and delicious recipes, please subscribe and press a notification bell below. It's free to subscribe. Add the room temperature evaporated milk and mix in between. Please share in the comments below what are your favorite gingerbread memories. Do you have any special recipe or a traditional one passed down through your family? As soon as the batter is smooth like this, stop mixing. Carefully grease the pan with butter. Pour your batter and level it. Tap the pan to remove air bubbles. Bake between 40 to 60 minutes. Cool it before you take it out of the pan. For our orange infused cream cheese frosting, place cream cheese in a bowl. Your cream cheese should be cold. Add butter. Mix until blended. Add the powdered sugar or icing sugar. Mix until it is well blended. Zest the oranges. Add the orange zest. Squeeze the orange juice. Add the orange juice. Add the vanilla extract and mix. This cream cheese frosting brings an orangey, creamy texture, and it adds depth of flavor and a luxurious mouthful that balances this cake. The warmth of gingerbread are so inviting. They bring a delightful aroma. The texture of the cake is moist and tender. If you got any value from this video, please press the like button below. Making and sharing gingerbread is all about spreading joy and cheer. I hope you have enjoyed this little baking adventure with me. See you soon on my next upload. Bye bye.